Jeep Cherokee XJ electric fan removal. We have 2 bolts, or screws, right here and right here. They are 8mm. You see this hose runs here. So what you do is go in. Now, we will take this hose off right here, just twist it, slide it off, move it out of the way. You have one connector here, electrical connector here. If you see, it's got a little red switch on it, which actually on this one mine was disengaged, so push that back that way so this thing's up. Then you're going to push right here, where my thumb is here. You're going to push there and slowly slide this thing apart. Maybe. There we go. Alright. So, that's behind that pipe there. Just make sure you see that. So what you're seeing is push on the back edge of this connector here. Make sure this red tab is up. You push on that that black piece right there where my thumbnail is. And then you'll slide it off that piece there. Now, this electric fan should just come out of here now. Might need to move it to the side a little bit. It is held in the bottom with 2 little clips on the bottom. There, one's loose, and there we go. So, I'm going to slide this over a little bit. So, these are the clips that slide in on the bottom. These little metal clips here, which apparently I need to put oil or something on. They slide into this hole here, and then doing the same thing back in. You notice how this is bent like this. So what we'll do is we'll put it back in, like slide it over this way, put it back in like this, and then we'll slide it over and line it up with the tolls down there, and we'll put it back in. And then put those screws back in. And that's it. Alright. Hey, thanks guys.